Hello everyone, with your programs in this video we speak about FlutterFlow and create application about cars. Open panel and select create new. Then we write project name, new app, then select create blank. Select skip. And we can look information. Widget palette, page selector, then widget 3, storyboard, connect Firebase, data schema, app values, API calls, media assets, custom code, CLUD functions, automated tests, them settings, and app settings. App settings we can create a build, Android or iOS. Select widget palette and update app bar. And we open widget 3, remove widget column, disable safe area, then we update text, write art programs, alignment, center, and we add widget list view. Then we add container, add height 290, add padding, top 30, left 30, right 30, and we update border radius 12. Now we add widget column. Then we add widget image, add image URL, remove width, add padding 20, and now we add widget text, add information car, Ford Mustang, and we add padding, right top 10, left 20. Update text style, font size 15, font weight 700. Next we add widget row, add widgets text. Widget row we select main axis alignment space between and update padding, right top 5, left and right 20. And we add information. Then we duplicate this card, select widget 3, select container, then we send duplicate, and update information. And we update padding container, write 30. Now we select preview, and we create best application about cars, and we use FlutterFlow. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.